Yesterday, 12 activists led by officials from Alternative TikTok petitioned the Constitutional Court challenging the recently assented Computer Misuse Amendment Act 2022. According to the activists who filed the petition, the law was brought in bad faith to infringe on the freedom of speech expression.
And we are joining him, like we must break this law.
While addressing journalists at their offices in Kampala, officials from the Equal Opportunities Commission revealed that they are only waiting for the Constitutional Court of Uganda to pronounce itself on the law before they can comment any further.
People have petitioned high courts on this matter, and we cannot be now discussing the matter because it is before the High Court of Uganda. It is therefore the court's decision that will enable us and give us a sense of direction.
So if we see that there is a provision in a particular law which disimpairs equal opportunities, or it is discriminative in nature, or marginalizing against a certain section of persons in this country, we advise government for an affirmative action to be taken. So we shall actually take an interest in that law.
On another note, the Commission today released highlights of the report on how the parish development module should address challenges of vulnerable people across the country.
So for us as Equal Opportunities Commission, we looked at all the pillars of the parish development model, and we looked at those issues which may prevent marginalized persons, people, generally Ugandans, especially the marginalized persons, to participate and benefit from the parish development model. And then we developed this guide to integrating equal opportunities, affirmative action, gender and equity in the implementation of this model.
According to the chairperson of the Commission, Sophia Nalule, government should also make amendments to the way the social grant is accessed by the elderly.
But one of the emerging issues we wanted to mention in this report was vulnerability increasing, some unforeseen issues, bringing many more people into the vulnerable category, like COVID-19, like climate change. You see climate change which came with floods. So many people, you wake up one day, you have been having a home, then the floods come, like in Kasese, and you don't have a home. So you have entered, if actually you survive anyway, you have entered the group of what? Vulnerable people.
For the past years, the Commission has received several complaints ranging from Ik people of Karamoja sub-region, the Batua people of Western Uganda, and other people occupying national parks. Safi, Mokele Baluku, and Chris Semalemu Semakula, CTV, PM Edition.